Stop! Stop! No! Stop hailing him! Stop hailing Okafor! Okafor did not win me. Okafor cannot defeat me. I am the champion. I am Enyimba. I am the cat of Ogudasa kingdom. Okafor cannot defeat me. I said you should hail me the champion.
Enyimba,
no!
Stop!
I said I am the champion, not him.
Enyimba, stop!
Please, Okafor.
Stop it!
Okafor cannot defeat me. I am the champion. Hail me.
Enyimba,
hail me.
Enyimba, please stop. It is me, Princess Ogonna, the princess of your heart. Enyim, Odogun, my king. Look, I brought you food. It is your favorite. For you, I went to the royal kitchen myself and made it personally so that you can...
Go! I have only one favorite in the world, and that's wrestling. I did not lose. Okafor cannot defeat me. Okafor is a half-man. Such half-man cannot defeat me in the wrestling arena. It's not possible.
Yes.
I am the winner. I am the champion. Hail me and not Okafor.
Yes, okay.
I am the greatest wrestler in Igbo land. Hail me. I am the one. I am the winner.
Yes,
I am the champion, not Okafor.
Yes. You are still the champion of my heart, despite what has happened.
It's a lie. Nothing happened. Say to Fiakwa, nothing happened. Say to Fiakwa, nothing happened.
To Fiakwa. But you need to calm down.
I'm the champion.
Calm down and eat. Eat from the hand of your wife to be. Biko. Eat from the royal hand of your love. Yes, I will personally feed you myself. I will feed you and let you rest your noble head on my bosom. Biko, sit down and eat. Enyimba. Enyimba. Enyimba.
See the way I am going to eat.
Enyimba!
I said help me and you're looking at me.
Enyimba, stop.
I said you should help me. Help me. Help me. Come on, help me. Help me. Help me. I said help me the champion.
Stop it.
Listen. Help me. I said
my lord.
To help me with your mission.
I will help you.
I will help you.
Drop it down, please.
I am the champion.
Drop it down.
Help me, I'm not him.
I am helping you.
I said you should help me.
I am helping you. I am helping you. Odogu akataka. Enyimba. Odogu.
Yes.
Odogu akataka.
I'm the champion.
Odogu.
Help me.
Drop it down, please.
Help me.
Enyimba. Enyimba.
Help me.
Odogu.
Enyimba.
Odogu.
Help me.
Enyimba.
Help me.
Odogu akataka. Odogu. Enyimba. Go my husband! Go my husband! Why don't you
Ekema, you can do it. You can do it. Please, oh yeah, take it. Take a deep breath. Ekema, I'm here. Ekema, oh yeah, push. Try one more time.
Ebubago nechago. Ebubago nechago makano ye wulago nuzo chakwalago. Ebubago nechago. The goddess of Yoko here kwagubun ekene. Ebubago nechago. Ebubago nechago. Ebubago nechago makano ye wulago nuzo chakwalago. Ebubago nechago. Great mother of the realm, goddess of the living and the dead, guardian of Iyoka here, life, justice, destiny. Ezenwa, I greet you. My body and soul, I surrender in totality to you. My ears are open to hear your instructions, great mother. Speak, O ancient mother.
Jealousy has given birth to treachery, and treachery to conspiracy in the kingdom.
I don't understand, great mother.
A great child with a great destiny is about to be born in the kingdom. And evil has spread its mouth to swallow both the child and his great destiny.
The gods forbid. Who is this person that wants
To your soul, I will speak the answer to the question you want to ask. And more. Waste no more time speaking here, or evil will win. Get up and get moving. Hurry to Mazi Azuna's compound and stop an abomination. Go! Go!
Madam Chalawago or your son, the ugly came back and also. You
can do it. You can do it. Oh, yeah. Baby boy.
Please, give me, let me see my child. Let me touch my child. I want to touch my child. I want to see my child. I want to see my boy.
Yeah, your boy is here. See your baby. See your boy.
My child.
See your baby.
My child.
See it.
Hey!
Go on. It is done. She's dead now.
Ne, what are we going to do about the baby? You know the person we sent to call my husband will soon get here. We need to act fast.
Ugomai, those who desire speed in achieving their desired outcome in things like this use more of their hands than their mouth.
Ne, how do I go about it?
Use your hands and close his mouth and nostrils. He will suffocate. Simple.
Okay.
Do not touch him.
Fresh Baba.
Yes, Father.
So, you may wonder why I called you to discuss over cups of palm wine without one or two of our kinsmen with us, as was always the case. I planned it so deliberately. I want to have a serious talk with you about your future.
My future, Father?
Yes. Over the years, I've tried all I could to teach you the arts of farming and hunting, both of which I have performed credibly by every standard. But you've never showed any enthusiasm to both. Rather, you choose to while away your time with a flute. I have complained. I have punished you over time on account of this the past few years. But your love for the flute never ever won.
Father, I am sorry, Father. I'm sorry I disappointed you by preferring music making
No,
to...
dear. There is no need for the apology. I mean, I was enthused watching you play this flute during the engagement ceremony at the palace 3 days ago. I was proud of you.
Thank you, Father.
This did not make me only proud of you, but it also got me thinking.
Father, I do not understand. My performance got you thinking?
Yes, and having given it some deep thought, I arrived at a decision. The decision is that since this is what you prefer for a career, it is time I should drop my objection and give you my full support as your father. I have decided to send you to Enugu to study under the great and legendary music maker of our time, Ogene of Enugu.
Father, are you trying to pull my legs, Father?
No father would joke with the future of his only son, Uchenna. You are going to Enugu in 4 days' time. Get prepared.
Thank you, Father. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Father. Thank you.
Right.
Thank you, Father. Thank you. May the gods keep you, Father. Father! Father! Father, your son is back! Father! 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 Uchenna is back! Where's my father? Where could he have gone to? He must have gone to the forest to hunt. Let me rest and wait for him. I have successfully completed my training in the house of the music legend, Ogene of Enugu. Mother, I kept my promise I made to you here on your graveside the day I was leaving for Enugu 3 years ago. Mother, I gave it my all. I put in my best. Mother, in the words of my master, Ogene of Enugu, he said, I have become so good with the flute that even the spirits will bend to my will upon hearing me play, Mother. I do not know how true that is, Mother. But I've become even more confident in my music now than ever before. Mother, I wish you were here. I wish I could hug and hold you in my bosom, even for a minute, Mother. I never felt your motherly arm around me. Mother, even right now, I still feel the aura of your love around me. I still feel your protective presence, Mother. Continue to rest in peace, Mother. I love you. I love you, Mother.
She loves you too. We love you too. Sir.
Father.
Welcome home, sir. How long have you been here?
It's not quite long, Father. Father, you look great.
Thank you. You look great too.
Thank you, Father.
Listening to you play this flute, I think what you said, that your master said about your prowess with the flute was rather an understatement. Your mastery of it has simply become magical.
Thank you, Father.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Father. Father! Hey! Father! Hey! Hey! Father, I am back. I promised I was going to make you proud.
No! Stop hailing him! Stop hailing Okafor! Okafor did not win me. Okafor cannot defeat me. I am the champion. I am Enyimba. Okafor is a big for nothing loafer. A serial loser. And half man. Such miserable man cannot defeat me in the wrestling arena. I am the cat of Ogudasa kingdom. Okafor cannot defeat me. My back has never touched ground in the wrestling arena. Is that possible? I am the greatest. I am the champion. Hail me and not him. No! No! Hail me! God, hail him! Hail me! I am the winner. I said stop! 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 Stop hailing him! Hail me! I said you should hail me the champion.
Enyimba,
No!
please stop!
I said I am the champion,
Enyimba,
not him.
Enyimba, stop!
Please, Okafor.
Stop it!
Okafor cannot defeat me. I am the champion. Hail me.
Enyimba,
Hail me!
Enyimba, please stop. It is me, Princess Ogonna, the princess of your heart. Enyim, Odogum, my king. Look, I brought you food. It is your favorite. For you, I went to the royal kitchen myself and made it personally so that you can...
Go! I have only one favorite in the world, and that's wrestling. I did not lose. Okafor cannot defeat me. Okafor is a half man. Such half man cannot defeat me in the wrestling arena. It's not possible.
Yes.
I am the winner. I am the champion. Hail me and not Okafor.
Yes, okay.
I am the greatest wrestler in Igbo land. Hail me. I am the one. I am the winner.
Yes,
I am the champion, not Okafor. Yes.
You are still the champion of my heart, despite what has happened.
It's a lie. Nothing happened. Say to Fiakwa, nothing happened. Say to Fiakwa, nothing happened.
To Fiakwa. But Nkem, you need to calm down.
I'm the champion.
Calm down and eat. Eat from the hand of your wife to be. Biko. Eat from the royal hand of your love. Yes, I will personally feed you myself. I will feed you and let you rest your noble head on my bosom. Biko, sit down and eat. Enyimba.
See the way I am going to eat. I said help me and you're looking at me. I said you should help me. Help me. Help me. Come on, help me. Help me. Help me. I said help me the champion. Stop it. Help me. I am the champion. Help me, I'm not him.
I am helping you.
I said you should help me.
I am helping you. I am helping you. Odogu akataka. Odogu. Odogu akataka.
Champion.
Odogu.
Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me.
Enyimba wake, enyimba gini, enyimba buzikwai. What is happening? The pride of Ogudasa kingdom has fallen. Enyimba, who took away my strength? What is tormenting me? May our God see me through. May our God
I used to be a hunter, very good hunter. Yeah.
What is it? What is it? Gunnar, what is it? Talk to us. What's going on?
Anybody is coming.
Go and check. Go and check. What? Enyimba.
Step back, Enyimba.
Who is it? Enyimba.
Your Majesty, please.
What is going on?
Please forgive me. Your Majesty, please forgive me, please.
Well,
please.
Forgive you for what? What are you sorry for?
Your Majesty, the night may happen again. And this time around, I unknowingly got rough with the love of my life, the princess. Please, forgive me.
Enyimba.
Got rough with my daughter?
What do you mean by you unknowingly got rough with your love?
My prince,
Are you by any means implying that you sexually assaulted the princess of this kingdom? Speak! Else I behead you right now.
I love Princess Ogonna. with my entire body and soul.
Enyimba, one more word that is not about what I asked you. Down! Down! Believe me, you will live here in tiny pieces. What did you do to my sister? Now speak.
Your Majesty.
Speak.
I think I lifted her up and threatened to harm her. Your Majesty, I am not even sure of what I did to the princess. Not even her personal guard here can tell exactly what happened because he was unconscious when everything was happening. Only the princess and her maid can tell exactly what happened.
God of Ogudasa. Enyimba, you mean you beat up a palace guard to the point of unconsciousness?
That is why I am here, Your Majesty. I came to apologize to the love of my life. Please help me and beg her.
Onyeso, back down.
No, father!
Yes.
This lousy dog has to.
Onyeso, I said back down. Leave him. Get up, Enyimba. Onyeso, sit down. First thing tomorrow morning, Prince Onyeso and I will personally take you to Dikeh. That is a royal order.
Your Majesty, that boy, I am not mad.
Enyimba, your mind is seriously troubled. Aside from healing mad people, Dikeh is an expert in healing people with troubled minds like yours.
Your Majesty.
Enyimba.
My king.
Enyimba, listen to me. In case you do not know, listen up. Calling off your engagement with my daughter, Ogonna, is something my family and I have considered several times because of your mental condition. Oh yes, the reason it has not happened is because my daughter loves you so much and she pleaded on your behalf. And I cannot, and I have never refused my daughter anything because I love her to pieces. So, do not force my hands by arguing any further on this. Am I clear?
It's okay. You are safe now. He won't be able to come anywhere close to you here. He is a master wrestler, yes. But Onyeso and Uzu are battle-proven warriors of Ogudasa. They will stop him if he dares to.
Mother, my personal security in the palace is not why I am so shaken. I am shaken by the violent disrespect the man I am going to be his wife treated me with unprovoked. How could he? I am a maiden. A princess at that.
From what you and Ifeoma told me, he was clearly out of his mind when he did it.
That is it, Mother. He was out of his mind, but he is my fiancé. Mother, I am not just being sad here. I am afraid to my bone marrows. I am scared.
It's okay, my dear. It is okay. You will never be afraid again. Come here, come here, come here. I understand how you feel, but trust me, the situation will be permanently taken care of very soon. Trust me on this.
Father, are you sure?
I am certain about this. Certain. He is actually coming to see you.
Oh.
Enyimba, of course. Calm down. Calm down. It's okay. Enyimba. Come.
I am sorry. My love, please. I am deeply sorry. from the depth of my heart, forgive me. I don't know what came over me, please. I promise you it won't happen again. Omalicham, I am sorry. I don't know what came over me, please. Omalicham, please. I'm sorry. Nico. I'm sorry.
I'm happy Eyimba agreed with your suggestion to see Uduakpeyin tomorrow.
Yes, I am happy too.
But why did he insist that Uduakpeyin must be coming to his compound to treat him? What he did to our Ogonna clearly shows that his condition is getting worse. For that alone, he shouldn't have been allowed to have a say in this issue.
My dear, his is a disease of the mind. Yes, for this therapy to be successful, he must be willfully part of it. That is the professional opinion of experts in mind healing.
I understand that, my lord, but...
My dear, I perfectly understand his insistence on being treated at home. See, if he goes to Uduakpeyi's house for treatment, people will be seeing him and people will conclude and gossip that he is now a madman. And that is not good for his reputation. And don't forget, he is going to be married to our own daughter, Ogonna. So on that basis, I support his insistence for privacy.
Rumors about his mental health are already being whispered in the kingdom, my lord. What he did to Ogonna today is a dangerous escalation. I am very worried for our daughter's future with him. Are you not?
My dear, the lion also sweats. Yes, but the power and the majesty of its mane hides the sweat. This very lion beside you is swimming in his own perspiration over this matter. What can I do? I'm the king.
Any way out for our Ogonna, in case...
After the engagement ritual that was concluded a few years ago, only Enyimba and Enyimba alone at this stage can call off this engagement without any consequence. Yes, that is our tradition.
Gods of the land, please help us.
See, not to worry. Uduakpeyin will soon bring this situation under control.
What if he loses his mind again after he and Ogonna are fully married?
Lord, think and speak positively on this matter. I beg you in the name of our ancestors. There is power in human thought, and there is even more power in words. Oyoyom, hi, apanang, yege.
I know, my lord. May the gods of Obuduasa help us. May our ancestors help us.
It shall be well.
Father, Mother, I still don't understand why you are insisting that we all should be physically present at the start of Enyimba's therapy this morning. I don't understand.
Son, love, empathy, and solidarity are inseparable ingredients in the healing soup of a mind in distress. Do you understand?
Father, I don't get it.
Enyimba needs our empathy and solidarity, son. It will quicken his healing considerably. Anyhow one looks at it, he's part of this family through the connection of our daughter, Ogonna.
Right.
Mother, what if something goes wrong during the therapy? It won't look good on us as a family. Please, let us send a delegation. The presence of such delegation will still pass the same message of empathy and solidarity. We are royals, Father.
Oh, yes, so yes, we are royals. But to command the respect of his subjects, a king must first rule in their hearts and in their minds. This regalia, the regalia and the scepters, alone do not make a great king. How well a king handles his subjects' problems and aspirations define him more than any other thing.
Deep.
Onyeso, one name. For my sake, please. Enyimba is my husband to be.
It's okay, my dear sister. I'm with you in this, every step of the way. Going forward, I will personally do everything possible to make sure Enyimba comes back to sound mental and emotional health.
Thank you, one name.
Good. We have to start going. The Black Penny must be waiting for us. Follow me.
Talk to us. What happened? Is he okay? Talk to us.
What's going on?
Tell me. I am the greatest.
Gods of our land. Father, it is him again.
Yes, it is him. It is him. I can hear the voice. Oh.
Father.
It is him. Dakweni, can you hear him? Do something fast before he loses his mind completely. Do something fast to Dakweni.
Calm down, Your Majesty. Calm down, everybody. You'll be okay now that I've brought into the picture. Healing people like him is what my family do for a living for over 5 generations now. And
no, my Enyimba's case is a different case to that Benny. My Enyimba is not a madman.
I did not say he is, my princess.
Ogonna, calm down. We are not here to argue what it is and what is not.
Udakweni,
Your Majesty.
This is one of my guards that I stationed here to watch over Enyimba after what happened yesterday. Now end every talk, every idle talk here, right now. Go with him, let him show you where he is. We're coming right behind you.
Yes, Your Majesty. His case is a minor one. With me on it, it will be over in a matter of days. Just keep my fee handy.
Udakweni, stop the talking! Stop the talking and get the job done. Get the job done.
My apologies.
Name your fee, whatever it is, it shall be paid.
My apologies, Your Majesty. Young man,
where is he?
Inside the house. He has not come out since daybreak.
It's okay, it's okay. No need to panic about anything.
Move it!
Lead the way.
Move it already. Let's go. Calm down. Help me, officer.
Stop!
Who is Ogafo?
Enyimba, stop! Calm down!
Ogafo is a weak man.
Calm down, Enyimba. Calm down, stop! I am Udakweni. I've come! Calm down! Yes, Udakweni. Calm down! I said stop! Stop!
Help me!
Stop!
I am the champion.
Calm down!
He did not defeat
Calm
me.
down!
I
said stop!
Help me, Enyimba.
I am Udakweni. Stop! Calm down! Enyimba, stop!
I said I am the champion.
Calm down!
Help me.
Calm down!
I said
calm down!
I said I am the champion.
Help me! Calm down!
Help me! I said you should help me! Help me! Down!
Father!
Help me! Calm down!
Come here!
I said
you should come here. Help me! Help me! What can you hear me? Help me! What is
Drop him! Enyimba, drop him! Enyimba, bring him down! Bring him down!
Enyimba, please!
Help me!
Enyimba, bring him down!
Help me!
Bring him down!
Help me! I'll kill this man! Help me! Beg him!
Hey! Father!
What is going on here?
Enyimba! Father! Enyimba, bring him down!
Hold on. Lolo, don't go fast. Father, forgive me.
I just saw Himba in a white state I didn't understand. What happened to Himba? I saw him carry Mazu that way on his shoulder like a dried log of wood, Father. What is going on?
Himba, Uchenna, started growing overconfidence and arrogance against the admonition from the people of Okudasa, including His Royal Majesty. He refused to properly prepare for a wrestling competition between the people of Okudasa and the Ahabumeyi wrestlers. During the competition, he lost to Okafo of Ahabumeyi, a man who was half his body weight in size. In his arrogance, he sew a rope of disgrace and dressed himself with it. Out of disappointment and anger, our people bowed him out of the arena. He went home crying like a little child. It was a heart-rending situation, my dear.
It must be indeed, Father. But Father, how? I mean, how did this episode degenerate to this scary situation I just witnessed now?
Enyimba took the whole thing hard on himself and started losing his mind.
I said you should help me. Help me.
Don't do that!
Uchenna! Uchenna! Uche! Are you safe? Uchenna! You can see I attacked you. Uche!
Father.
Are you safe?
Father, I am safe.
Are you sure?
Father, I am safe. I told you. I told you he will sleep after a while. He's sleeping now, Father.
Just like that?
Yes.
Come on, Uchenna. What is...
Father, please, can we talk while we walk home? I am very hungry right now, Father. Please.
Me too. Your Majesty.
Where is he?
Your Majesty, he's inside sleeping.
Sleeping?
Sleeping?
Yes, my princess.
How? I mean, what did you give to him that made him sleep off?
Music, my princess. The soothing melody from my Oja and nothing more.
And nothing more? I don't get it.
My princess, please, he'll be very hungry when he wakes up. Something that he needs to eat when that happens should be made ready immediately. And if he relapses at any point in time, please send for me immediately.
Father, send for you? You mean you can cure him? With what power? Chiazonna, what is going on?
Your Majesty, I am astonished as the rest of you over what just happened. After I told him about Enyimba's mental struggle for the last 3 months, he said he can help. How first what he did to help worked is still a wonder to me.
It's a serious wonder.
Uchenna, please, what did he use on him?
Talk to us.
Your Highness, music, nothing more. Music is soothing balm to troubled and healthy minds alike. To those who understand what tune to play at any given circumstance, Your Majesty, the therapeutic possibilities are endless. Those were the words of the great Ogene of Enugu, the man who trained me.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So what did Papa?
Sweet melody in my heart, yo.
I hope my son and I are safe.
Yes, you are, Chiazonna. We are here for good. Thank you.
Ochede.
Your Majesty, my queen, my prince, what is going on here?
Sit down. Sit.
Chiazonna. Uchenna.
Your Majesty.
In the words of our wise ancestors, gratitude is a virtue that the foolish do not recognize and do not know how to apply. I am not foolish, and that is any member of my household. That is why we have come here to show gratitude to Uchenna for what he did for Enyimba. Uzo, have this for a start.
Your Majesty.
Hey! Cowries?
Cowries! Your Majesty.
And this too.
Your Majesty, and all of this?
You deserve much more than this.
Your Majesty, no. No, I mean, the verbal thank you and the royal family already said to my father and I in Enyimba's compound are more than enough, Your Majesty. Yes. Please.
No, son. You deserve more than this, son. You deserve more than this for the tragedy your intervention averted in Ogodasa. Go ahead. Have it.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you, my queen. Thank you. My prince. Thank you. Thank you.
Ichi Azunna. Nwoke mụrụ odogwu odogwu.
At this point, Igwe, I got mmanya.
Father,
there will be no need for that. There will be no need for any entertainment for us. Listen to me. This our visit actually has a second leg. Yes, a second leg which we must discuss straight away. As a matter of fact, that is why we even had to come in person instead of inviting Uchenna to the palace.
Your Majesty, is there...
Uchenna, calm down. As we both know, Enyimba is Princess Ogonna's fiancé. In fact, full preparation for their wedding was scheduled immediately after the wrestling competition in which Enyimba lost 3 months ago. And for my precious sister here, we will spare no expense to make sure that Enyimba comes back to his normal self. You have proven to us beyond doubt that you can help us in that regard. So name your prize and complete what you have started.
My prince, I will charge nothing. Your Majesty, please.
Uchenna,
Your Majesty.
you will need money to maintain whatever power you used on him, won't you?
Your Majesty, I used nothing. I used nothing other than the melody from my musical instrument on him, nothing more. Your Majesty, I observed that his mind is only being tortured by the denial of his reality after the match with Okafor of Habing Main. Your Majesty, for that, no one can help him heal but himself. My music instrument will only help to calm the situation down if the need arises, and nothing more.
I don't understand. How do you mean that?
Your Majesties, from my experience with my master back then in Enugu, handling people with this kind of condition, the only way he can heal is for him to accept the reality that he lost to Okafor for having me. A public acceptance of that reality by him will help his healing process even faster. If he fails to do it, Your Majesty, there are only 2 ways what is happening to him could end.
Which is?
Murder or suicide.
Murder or suicide?
Yes. Your Majesty, it's either someday he will kill somebody or he will kill himself out of frustration, Your Majesty.
Let's not run, please. Hail him. Hail him, please. Stop singing now. Hail him
You would do as I suggested, wouldn't you?
Yes, I will.
My people, my people. My people. It's me, Enyimba. I have accepted that I lost fairly to Okafor. I am deeply sorry for disappointing you all at the wrestling arena. I have accepted. It was my fault. And no! I did not lose. I did not lose to Okafor. I am the winner. No. I said, hey, me, the champion. Hey, come here, I am the winner. I said, I am the winner. Hear me.
Where is Enuma? I am famished. Lolo.
She will soon be home.
Me too, Father.
What a happy family.
Ah, she's here.
Oh, Enuma. I can't wait. I can't wait.
Oh.
looks
Oh yes, it does. It's my privilege to start.
Sumptuous.
Oh, this is deliciously made, as usual. Yes. Enuma.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Father.
Enuma.
Father, Enuma is without doubt the best when it comes to garnishing and roasting these meats.
I agree with you. Enuma, you start showing me how to do this so that after my wedding, I can be livening up my Enyimba's taste buds with this kind of meat as you do us.
I'll be honored to teach you anytime, any day, my princess.
I love that, Ogum. Little things like this help in building and sustaining love in marriage.
Exactly. They do. And they are talking about your marriage. Who amongst you knows how far his therapy is going?
Easy. My leg.
What is it?
Ozo.
What happened?
Ozo. What happened to him?
Enyimba happened to him, Your Majesty.
Enyimba happened to him?
My leg.
Enyimba, you have heard all we said here. Onyeso and Ogonna will accompany you to Mazi Azuna's place, where his son will avail you of what he calls music therapy, which he said will make you normal again. Yes, all these hallucinations, all these things that come into your head, they will all clear. That is a promise he has given to us, and we believe him. So when you get there, please be of good behavior. Be of good behavior so that this thing will have solution as soon as possible. The royal family will do everything in our powers to make sure that you get well, completely well, so that we'll get back on track concerning your marriage to our daughter. Did you hear me?
My king,
King, Father is right. I understand how you feel. You know I love you so much. And I want you to be better. It's for our future. Please, for my sake, Enyimba, do this. I promise you I will always be by your side and I will always visit you. You know, go.
Okay, I will.
Enyimba,
My prince.
I understand how you feel. Huh? It's all for good. Everything will be okay.
You can go now. We hope this will be the solution, as being said, but it will.
How is everyone in the palace?
Everyone is fine. I'm glad you feel better today.
Thank you. You're looking beautiful.
Thank you.
Good day, my princess. When did you arrive today?
A few moments ago, Ichi.
Honestly, your commitment to him for the past 3 days is very exemplary. Keep it up.
Thank you, Ichi. I will.
How are you doing today, Enyimba?
Better. I feel better now. I'm grateful to you and Uchenna.
My dear, you are a great hero of Ogudasa Kingdom. I am honored, my son and I, to be of help to you in this circumstance.
Each year your understanding and kind words have been helpful. It feels so like family.
I can't agree less, Nkem. Their company is so magical. And their wisdom is so soothing. Thank you once again, Ichi.
You're welcome, my princess. Charity is a universal virtue. Some other person would have done what my son and I have done for Enyimba, including him, if the reverse were the case. You know, as humans, we thrive better together and perish faster apart.
We thrive better together and perish faster apart.
Deeply profound words, Ichi.
Well, those were the wise words of our ancestors. But let me go indulge my pastime in the jungle. Excuse me for a moment.
Good luck.
Good luck, Ichi. Uchenna!
Here you are. I'm going for a practice session with they who inspire me.
They who inspire you. Where and how?
Mother Nature. The forest.
Interesting. But who's going to stay with us while you are away? In case...
My princess. With you is Enyimba you knew before 3 months ago. You are safe in his company. And trust me when I say that, my princess. I'll see you when I come back.
Oh,
Uchenna, can we come with you?
Come with me?
Yes, yes. I am a nature enthusiast. I am also a poet, a singer, and a composer. Mother Nature inspires me too.
Really?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Thank you, Nkem.
For what?
For seeing through me.
It's okay.
Welcome to my nature commune arena.
If I get you correctly, you got this place set up just for your love for the music art.
Yes.
And you call this place your nature commune arena?
Yes, Your Highness. I learn new sounds from nature here, and I perform them back to nature until I perfect them.
I honestly still don't get it.
And hear the birds singing. Let's listen over there too. And hear another bird singing a different song. And over there. And over there. All different birds with different sounds and songs. Listen to the sound of the wind. Listen to the ruffling leaves. Listen to the flowing waters. They sound differently. They may sound incoherent, but to the ears that hears them, and to the mind that is trained to understand them, they form a cacophony of soul sound from Nature Grand Orchestra. Together, they are the perfect teachers of music and poetry. Together, they are the supreme masters of the art of music. And together, they are a performer's most appreciative audience. A performer who, by his or her love for the art, have initiated his or her mind into the inner sanctuary of the art and soul of music.
Them.
What a beautiful rendition. Such a beautiful talent. To be honest, I was so moved. Obim, were you not moved?
Let us get out of here now. Get out of here. Go with me!
Hey! Let us go after him. Let's go.
Eyimba!
Eyimba! Careful, my princess. Eyimba!
Eyimba! Eyimba!
Eyimba!
Eyimba!
Eyimba!
Eyimba! Eyimba!
Eyimba!
Eyimba! Eyimba, what are you?
I am leaving this hut this minute. And you are doing that with me.
This must be a joke.
I am dead serious.
But you
Hey, listen to me.
I am fine now. my mind is healed. Uchenna, tell me your fee and I am going to pay you double of it once you mention.
Eyimba, I never said I would charge any fee for helping you recover. And I have not changed my mind about that.
If that is a ploy to emotionally keep me, the princess and the entire royal family under your debt.
Hey!
Let us leave here this minute.
What is wrong with you?
Listen, I am your husband-to-be. Regardless of your royal status, my word should be your command.
I am not your slave. Am I?
I am going to unleash the fire and fury of my entire body and soul on every single living creature in this hut if I take 2 steps home without you in my talk.
You will not treat and talk to me with such disrespect.
My princess, please go with him. Please.
I should go with him when he is...
He's angry, Your Highness. He's angry. Go with him and find out whatever the problem is. Like I said before we left for the forest, he's okay now.
Uchenna, I deserve more respect than I am getting from him right now. If he desires the type of obedience that he's demanding from me, then he should do better. He's angry? Angry at what? And for what, if I may ask?
I do not know, my princess. My regards to your royal family.
Follow me immediately.
The rest of love, gods of our land, we are in your hands. Gods of our land, we are in your hands. Please save us from this evil, save us. This is too much on us.
God, let's go.
Where are you going?
Back to the palace. We followed you here to be sure that you got home without incidents.
Come inside, I want to discuss something important with you.
I am not in the mood for that now.
I said, let's go inside. I want to discuss something important with you.
What is the meaning of this? Respectfully step aside and let me pass, Enyimba.
No! You were betrothed to me at infancy. My father brought me to your house and dropped some cowries into your bathwater 3 days after you were born to seal your betrothal to me in line with our traditions. And the implications of that are well known to you, aren't they?
The implications of our infant betrothal are well known to me. And none of them makes me a slave to your whims. Wrong?
No.
Good. Then address me like your fiancé and not like your slave. Respect who and what I am, even in our privacy. I want to be your wife, but never at the expense of my dignity. God! Do your job and take me out of this place now!
It's okay, it's okay. There is no need for this drama. I am going to let you go in peace.
What is happening? The pride of Ogudasa kingdom has fallen. Who took away my strength?
There's no love without respect. Love is not just a talking thing. It is an action word. So don't just profess it to me. Show it. Put it in action. And that's always.
God, my part.
Let's go.
I am Imba, the greatest warrior. The greatest warrior of this world. for Kudasa kingdom. No man born of a woman can challenge my strength. No.
Thank you for making us rich. Igbo Odogwu, Onochie, Eromuno, Afagi. Neil, let me give you my blessing. Nam, Oya Bale. Iya dị ka aka oyibo na aka oyibo ka Chukwu keke ife ya na-ele. Ọ dị njọ n'iru ị nọ n'azụ. Ọ dị njọ n'azụ ị nọrọ n'iru. Ọ dị njọ n'iru dị n'azụ ị nọ n'etiti na-abụ. Asị m na ị ga-adịkwanụ ka ụzọ mmiri na ụzọ mmiri ada ata ata. Ị acha ka akwụ mana ijekọrọ ada ka akwụ. Ị asị ka afịa mana ijekọrọ ana ka afịa. Sị gị na ọ ya adịrị mma na Eke. Orie. Afọ.
Look at you! I remember that day that you left me. I nearly fell down. If not for your care, I don't know how I would have done. No.
Hey!
I would have done.
Ngo, walking our bumbo, eh?
The mama, thank you.
I hope you are okay.
Okay.
Hey, what will I get for you? You see, Anunch, mother. Oh, what? Tell me. Walking a wambo. Look at it.
No. Como conazo?
So.
What
do you know? Hi. Hello.
Come.
Akage. Obiagunaka. No. Hey. We anything for my woman.
No. Back in the room again. Come and greet your baby.
Obamuku. Agu na ya. Agu ada mu ojo. Hey, Ogedede. Hey,
No. Achọrọ m ịtaga ahụhụ.
Ke wait about on. Aki ga-ejesi ịchọrọ ịta m nsusu nwanyị. Esi na nwata chọrọ.
Onye nwata chọrọ nkwa n'ihe ụmụ.
Hey, nne na sobre. Hey, anything you want, I will do it for you.
I'm going to fetch water.
Okay.
My lord.
By midday? Or the banana?
I desire a cool bath in the flowing waters of Iyoko here. The weather is hot.
Oh. Ugo, why? The day is very hot too. I would have loved to follow you if
not for your condition. I know.
My husband, won't you add Fanny to the list of your care gestures towards her?
Oh.
Wouldn't you do that?
If that is what the baby wants, I will do it. I will gladly do it.
Ekema, over to you.
Okay.
I will see you when I come back.
Oh, Jehovah. Oh, but that one okay. Come back early, eh?
She sounded unhappy again.
I noticed it. It has not been easy on her.
I understand. And I pray the gods bless her.
He say...
Mother! Mother! Nne! Mother!
Gini? Eh? Chimu, go on. Why are you in tears?
Huh? I want to end it.
End what? Go on, sit down, please. End to what, go on?
I want to take a man, the child in her womb eliminated.
The gods forbid. Go on. Who have you allowed jealousy to make you become? How could you harbor such evil thought against an innocent woman and her unborn child?
That woman took my husband's love away from me. And she constantly reminds me of my barrenness with her protruding belly. That is everything but innocent. Ekema is guilty. And also that cursed animal in her womb. Leave me alone. Why? I want you to help me eliminate them.
God forbid.
I'm dead serious, mother.
Why don't do this?
I'm dead serious.
Ogowai, don't do this to your mother, Ogowai. Don't do this to me. I don't want to become childless. Please!
Choose!
Ogowai, biko ninu negaya niru.
Mother, choose! Choose!
Ugo, I choose you. I will ever choose you. Don't do this. Don't do this to me. Biko. Ugo, nasaba biko no. Hey, I will. Biko, beba. Ay.
Go on. Ogo. Go on. Ogo.
Azuna, let them be. They only waste their energy running away from the Mother Earth.
Listen, why? What is going on?
Take your son from me.
My son? My son?
Be gentle.
Dikeh delivered a male child! Thank the gods! So why? Where is Dikeh?
The goddess of Iyokaya sent me to save him and his mother from the hands of the evil ones. I was on time to save him, but too late to save his mother.
What are you saying, Izawai? What happened to Ekema, my wife?
You will hear all that from the mouth of Ugowani. She will confess her evil by herself. Duty calls at the coven of Iyokaya. Take care of him with every dedication you can muster. He has a great destiny. He will wipe your tears in many pleasant ways. Oh, we are madam for her men, one wine of Ivan and Ishi. And
Go back to Guduasa.
Ekema, please. We can't go back. If we go back, they will kill us.
I am not pleading with you. I am ordering you. Turn around and go back now!
No. Ekema, no. We can't go back. We can't go back. We'll be executed if we do. Please. Ekema, please now. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't know what came over me. I'm sorry, please. Ekema, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please now. It's okay. I will confess. Ekema, please. Ekema, pick up.
Ogomai, Ogom, what is it that you people have to confess?
My mother and I killed Ekema immediately she gave birth to your son. And we were about to suffocate him before one of Iyokaya stopped us. My mother warned me, she warned me, but I was enveloped with anger, bitterness. You caused it. You took all the love and affection I gave it to her, immediately she took it for you. You were no longer seeing me. And now her spirit is on rampage. She's after us, she's after our life. Look at us. She has been chasing our life from our border with you. Please, my husband, if you should help me beg her spirit, let her forgive us. We are sorry, please.
You people are evil!
We are sorry.
Yes, we did it! We did it! I did it! I did it!
Ogomai.
Thank you for giving him to me. There is a wine of Iyokaya said that he has a great destiny. I believe that now ever than before. Several times after that day you appeared to me in my dream. and you said that he has a great future. You said he will make me smile. I am smiling ear to ear now. Please, my dear wife, do not relent. Keep watching over him. Do not let the smile and the joy in our hearts ever vanquish. Once again, thank you for giving him to me. May your soul rest in peace.
Keep resting in peace, Mother. Keep protecting me. Keep guiding me. And I will continue to make you and Father proud. Thank you, Mother. I love you. Rest in peace.
Mwakibia, ayinya, ogada gidoyo nedubi. Hey! Hey, Kalisia. Hey! 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 Ọkwa Dikeh ka na-akpọ. Ọya abalị. Hey!
What a shame.
Princess, please. I am not in the mood for your troubles. By the way, my Prince, thank you. Thank you for the meal today at the palace. Thank you. Why are you dragging my feet? Are you sure?
Sweet melody in my heart, yo.
Odogun, when did you return from your trip to your maternal home?
I am going to the palace, and you are doing that with me.
But I asked you a question and all you can...
We are on our way home, right? Uchenna,
My
Prince, let's go.
Hey, okay. Don't you dare take a step in the same direction with us.
Eyimba, I will consider this a huge disrespect if you...
Your Highness, this very one here is not going with us. Not now, not ever. You are not coming with us.
My Prince, it's okay. Let me just...
Uchenna, stop! If he does not want you in our company to the point of disrespecting myself and Ogonna here, then we have no business going anywhere with him. Let's go. I said, let's go! Hey! Enyimba, stand down. Enyimba, I said, stand down! Now.
I will not. Uchenna, come out from that place now. Go! Come out from that place.
No!
Hey! Now, Your Highness, if you go in any direction other than mine, I am going to do something realistic. Now, move. I said, I am going to cut off your hands. Move.
Let us go.
Don't get me angry. Move. Move. The palace. I am going to cut off your hand, and I am serious about it.
Them.
Mother. You reacted like you're just noticing my presence. And that's a sign of deep absence of mind. What is going on?
Mother, I am worried. I am worried about Enyimba. More than a week after he insulted Uchenna and embarrassed Onyeso and I, he has refused to show any real remorse for it, despite father's orders and my pleas to him to apologize to Uchenna after he apologized to Onyeso and I. He has flatly refused to do so. These days, just hearing Uchenna's name triggers him in ways that scares me to my bone marrows.
Really? Did he give you any reason for that?
None. Not at all. I have asked him over and over and got zero answer from him. I have even pleaded with him to stop, but he completely ignored me. Uchenna saved him from himself. He saved his public image. He refused a huge payment offer from him for it. Mother, that young man minds his business always. He has never picked any offense, despite Enyimba embarrassing him at every given opportunity. Even if he has something against him, does that justify the level of hostility from him? What?
Sit down. Sit down, my dear. My dear, when it comes to affairs of the heart, men are the most childish and erratic beings you can ever imagine. They can be sweet and supportive in one moment, and arrogant and harsh the next moment. All men, even your father.
My father?
Yes, your father. In our culture, most times men view being gentle with their women as weakness.
Mother, are you implying that such behavior should be accepted as?
My dear, no single character trait defines a man in totality. When it comes to excellence of character, no man or woman has it all. Tolerance, my dear. You are a princess, and that comes with a lot of expectations. On the virtues of wisdom, patience, and tolerance. Don't ever forget that.
Few weeks ago, I witnessed you and father being mad at Onyeso for raising his voice at his fiancée in the open. In father's word that day, it was not an act of deception that Onyeso and I never saw him raise his voice at you, even in his worst moments of anger. Bullying one's woman physically or verbally is a mark of inferiority complex in a man, he said. Both of you insisted that Onyeso apologized to his fiancée, and he did. Tell me, mother, was all of that just a choreographed drama? Just to entertain me on that day, or?
It was no drama, my dear. Enyimba is a peculiar case because of what he went through recently. Patience is a virtue on the issues of this nature. Patience, my dear daughter.
Thank you, Mother. Uchenna.
Sonorous voice. Superb composition. I mean, impressive talent, my princess. Beauty is indeed beyond the sin.
You like it?
So much that it temporarily erased my curiosity.
Curiosity and the audacity that made me come to your art holy ground without your permission, right? Well, I have a confession. It is neither my first nor second.
Ah, really?
Even as a nature enthusiast, poet, singer, and composer, I never really realized the full inspirational powers of natural elements until you sort of held my hands and introduced me to them in this very place 3 weeks ago. Thank you.
You're welcome, my princess. And I'm happy that my words on that day were indeed helpful. I'm also happy too that my art holy ground, like you called it, captured your imaginations quite deeply.
Am I welcomed here then?
Well, art is neither jealous nor selfish, my princess.
Art is neither jealous nor selfish. You sure have your way with words. You sure do. I am sorry.
Spoken words is the first child of the mind. Speech is first and foremost an act. Respect, love, wisdom, humility and empathy do not operate in silence. They are communicable virtues, my princess.
Real men are indeed made of more than flesh and bones. The difference can't be clearer.
The difference?
Just musing.
Oh. My princess. The love song I heard you singing is for Imba, right?
Yes. I'd like to sing it for him on our wedding day.
Oh. That is beautiful, my princess. Oh, my princess. would you give me the honor of complimenting this your beautiful love song with my Oja on your wedding day? Please.
Of course, Uchenna. That will be a great honor to Enyimba and I.
If that is a yes, my princess, then let the practice begin. After you.
Father! 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 Somebody, what is it? Father! What is it? Huh?
There is trouble. What trouble? Has one of the patients I left in your care to go get roots and herbs for their treatment broken loose and run away? Did he hurt somebody in the process?
Father, not that. They are all gone.
Who are all gone?
The patients. All the patients, Father!
You are joking, Chukwudi. Aren't you?
I am not joking. Father, I'm not joking. Agaba, the madman that lives in the forest for years now. Do you remember him?
Yes, Agaba. Who has been mad since he was 13 years old. Even my best medicine failed to cure him, or at least tame him. What about him?
Father, Agaba is no longer mad.
Ah?
Yes! Rumor has it that Uchenna, son of Ichie Hazuna, has been visiting the forest, using the same music therapy that he used, the same one he used in curing Enyimba lately. And while he was doing that earlier today, Agaba's sanity got restored. Agaba walked home to his family. Normal. Yes. And the news quickly spread the whole kingdom. And so...
Say what? Speak!
The patients, their family came and took them away. They told me that they are taking them to Uchenna's family.
No!
Father, we have lost our patient! Uchenna! Father, what do we do? What do we do?
No, I won't let this stand. No, Uchenna! Ah! Uchenna!
Father! Hey! Father, I tell you!
Once again, thank you so much for all you taught me today. Thank you especially for the collaboration idea that you suggested. Even as we are still trying to perfect it. But what we have come up with so far is a masterpiece. I am very sure that Enyimba and all the guests will be thrilled by it on our wedding day.
Sure, my princess. They will. I wish you all the best with Enyimba.
Thank you.
Sweet melody in my heart, yo.
Father! What did you do to Agaba, the forest madman?
Father, I did nothing to him. I have only been visiting him in the forest where I play my flute for him. I did nothing. Father, I started doing that when I found out that he always stops his usual scream each time I practice in a nearby bush. Nothing else, Father. Although something curious happened today, Father. While I was playing my flute for him, he suddenly became emotional. He started crying. Father, after a while, he got up. He got up and hugged me. And then he left. And I left too. Nothing else, Father. What happened, Father? Did he hurt himself? Did he hurt someone else?
Uchenna, Agaba is no longer mad. You healed him. You healed him with a flute.
What?
Yes. He's back to his house, to his family. These people are rejoicing all day long. As soon as the news spread, they took over my homestead.
Father, who took over our compound?
Udakwenyi and his patients.
What?
Yes! They refused to go.
What?
Their family brought them. And they have offering farmlands and money if you agree to...
Agree to what, Father? I am not a healer of infested minds, Father. I am only a flutist. Didn't you tell them that?
I did. They're absolutely not buying it. You have to do something, Uchenna.
Father, what do you...
You have to do something.
Father, what do you want me to do?
I cannot have mad people all over my homestead. You have to do something. You have to do something. Uchenna, you have to do something. You have to do something.
What does he want me to do?
You have to do something. Mad people.
What does he want me... Father, I do not know what else you want me to do. Father. 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 Very well, Father. I have just escorted the last of them to his family and watched them secure him. Father, I thank the gods that the melody from my flute was able to keep all of them calm even as we journeyed to their compounds.
It still surprises me the magical effect that the sound of your flute, have on such people.
Same here, Father. I just pray that the agreed arrangement of them remaining in their compounds while I visit them daily to play for them. I pray it stands, Father.
I pray so too. The thought of having my house turned into a mental healing home is quite unsettling to me. Even with the amount of money they promised to give to you for your services, I will still not accept any of them in my compound while their treatment lasts.
You're very correct, Father. We do not have anywhere to harbor such people. It's okay, Father. Let's go.
Enyimba. Surprised?
I was not expecting you. And you came unaccompanied too.
I asked to move alone today. For nothing, but for the desire to experience and to know what it feels like to do so. Actually, I was on my way to see the person weaving my wedding clothes, to know how the job is progressing. So I decided to see and greet the soon-to-be crown of my heart.
Princess. Nice to hear. Nothing suits my soul better than holding your arms.
Okay. You will soon have me to hold forever.
And also cherish you forever. Undistracted.
Undistracted?
Yes. By that useless rat, Uchenna.
Do you want to hear the truth?
Speak.
The only thing that distracts me these days is your erratic outbursts that are fueled by your groundless insecurities.
That's an insult.
You insulted me first, Enyimba. You insulted me first, and I am dealing with mine. So deal with your own, if indeed you take it as an insult.
Huh?
Again! You have messed up my mood with your insecurity, Enyimba. Again! You have made your company a place where discomfort to my heart dwells. Why? Enyimba, why? Definitely, I cannot proceed to the weaver's place or go back home in this mood. But where do I go to lighten up this mood before?
Great. Nice one. Thank you, Mother Nature, for supplying the inspiration. Thank you. It's time to go home and...
Not yet, please.
My princess, when did you get here?
Now. Just now.
I hope all is well, my princess.
Uchenna, please play for me. Suit my sad mood with a tone. Speak to my disturbed soul with your flute. Please.
Your sad mood? Your disturbed soul? My princess, what?
Don't ask. Talk not to me either. Just play, please.
Please sit.
Uchenna. You always know how to make me smile.
But that is the plan. You deserve it.
Thank you.
So, am I seeing you again?
Of course you will.
When you on top, don't forget there are people who want you to fall. So be careful, so be careful. So be careful. Manoye ya na chia si ferane meo. If Ipubechi guzo tiwere guzo sirike. Anything God approve, no one can change it. Makana destiny of a man, make it way for him. A citoyen no woman child. Oh, Makoba keto yana mwajuku. Awanzenze. Makoke kitabanya ko jeli awanzenze. Abaye kali ajili neni togu. Awanzenze. Ogosia ni jiawai. Makane jiru babuwa. Awanzenze. Ebotu jimancha. Awanzenze. Nganga buluzo. Awanzenze. Odideso chieyaya. Awanzenze. Pride and arrogance. Awanzenze. Destroys a man. Awanzenze. Awanzenze. Awanzenze.
What are you doing here? What is the matter? And you look agitated too.
How dare you, Ogonna? How dare you lie to me? Huh?
Lie to you? I don't get it.
You will get it after watching me end the insulting game. You and that rat Uchenna have been playing with me by shooting off his head from his neck.
God so for good sir. But you can't do that. You can't.
Now leave before I start from you. Start going before I start from you now.
May the gods forbid. I'd rather run and scream my lungs out to alert Uchenna about your evil plans than to lead you to him.
Stop! Listen! Ogonna! Ogonna! Stop!
What? He shot at me!
No!
Mother, he almost killed me! He almost killed me!
No!
Oh yes!
Oh yes, sir! Oh yes, sir! Dad, call the Igwe! Call his majesty!
No, mother! All of them should go after Onyeso to stop him!
No! I'm going after my son! I am going after Onyeso! Go for the Igwe!
Father!
My prince, please! My prince!
Oh yes, sir!
My prince, please, my prince, please, I beg you, stop, my prince, please, my prince, please, my prince, please, just calm down, please.
Don't you dare!
Just calm down, please, I beg you.
I will never calm down until Niba's head is blown off his neck. Now get out of my way this minute. Get out of my way! If you want to return home alive. Out.
Shoot me. Eh? Kill me! My friends, go ahead and kill me if that is what it will take to make you calm down.
Oh yes, sir.
Shoot my head off my neck.
Oh yes, sir. End this madness now before I place a curse on you.
Don't curse me, mother. Curse Enyimba. Curse that useless idiot that nearly murdered your daughter. Enyimba? Yes, she has him now, Enyimba. That buffon. That mass of brainless, useless flesh must pay for it. He must pay for it!
Yes, please. Just calm down, please. There are ways to go about this. Just calm down, my friends, please.
Enyimba must pay dearly for what he did to my precious daughter. He must pay dearly.
Your Majesty.
But son, it will not be from your hands.
Father, I want to.
Son, I understand how much you love your sister. I do. And I understand your anger. But you know what? Trust me on this. You are not even half as angry as I am on this matter. Let me have the gun. Let me have it. Enyimba! Enyimba, you have touched the tail of the tiger. This is my battle. My personal battle. And you pay dearly for what you did to my daughter, you will pay. Enyimba, the last sound you shall hear in your life is the sound of my gun.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. My queen, please. Please, come. Your Majesty. Your Majesty, please. Your Majesty, please. Father, Your Majesty, please, Your Majesty, please. Please, I beg you, Your Majesty. Biko, Your Majesty. Please.
Enyimba is going down today. Please. It is my battle. Your Majesty, please. It is my battle. Please. Get out of my way.
Your Majesty, please.
Enyimba must go down today.
No, Your Majesty, don't.
Clear my way, everybody.
Your Majesty, please. I agree Enyimba made a thoughtless and dangerous attempt on the life of our princess. Your Majesty, please. I mean, it qualifies to be called beyond pardon, Your Majesty. We all remember the recent story of Enyimba's mental health, Your Majesty. Please, I beg you. Please, whatever must have triggered Enyimba to act in such a dangerous way today must be something very serious indeed to him. I beg you, please, my prince. I'm not excusing his disrespect for the princess and the royal family. Please, Your Majesty, please. Thank the wise gods for sparing the life of our princess. Please, Your Majesty, I beg you. Returning anger and violence with anger and violence is not a thing of the wise and noble, Your Majesty. You are a wise and noble king, Your Majesty. My prince, you are a wise and noble prince, Your Highness. Please, I beg you. Reply Enyimba's rash action with noble and wise reaction befitting of your noble selves. Please. That's all I'm pleading, please.
It is the princess we're talking about here. My own daughter. No. Enyimba must pay dearly for what he did.
Your Majesty, please. I am not saying you should not punish him, Your Majesty. All I'm saying is punish him to correct him, Your Majesty. Do not soil your royal hands with his blood. Enyimba, it's your son-in-law to be, Your Majesty. And by our tradition, it's your son. That is how our tradition sees him. Your Majesty, will you kill your own? Please.
Your Majesty, my son is right. A son-in-law is the same as one's biological son. Please, do not shed the blood of your own out of anger. I beg of you, take your family home and think everything through first. Decisions are better taken when the mind and the heart are doing their jobs independent of each other.
Please, Your Majesty, please, Your Majesty, please. My prince, please.
Father, will Ogonna ever be saved with him? That's the question you are struggling to give an answer to in your mind. Am I wrong?
No, son. You are not wrong. Your ability to read minds still baffles me. That's what I'm thinking about. Will my daughter be comfortable in Enyimba's house?
I ask again, Father, what is the price of refusing Enyimba her hand in marriage?
Son, only Enyimba will name the price of what such action will be. Our tradition does not permit the bride's family the option of refusing whatever compensation the groom demands if they decide to call off the wedding by themselves.
Why? As the Igwe, exceptions should be made for you. I mean, considering the fact that the person involved is a princess, a sort of property of the people, there should be
My son, that is our tradition. Yes, our tradition considers infant betrothal sacred, second only to blood oath. That is how serious it is. I allowed my friendship with Enimba's father to sway me into permitting this type of thing for my daughter. I suspended my better judgment out of...
I think that Enimba has been careless with Ogonna in recent times because he believes we can never call off their engagement because of our fear of what he might demand as a compensation. The lout is daring us, father.
I agree with you, son, and it worries me. It deeply worries me, especially since after the shooting incident. But here I am. I am the king. I am the king of the land, and that comes with a lot of expectations. Our people expect absolute respect for our customs and traditions from me, whether they align with my interests or not. That is why I'm the king of everybody.
Can't we at least grandstand?
Grandstand? What do you mean?
Father, if you cannot stop him from marrying Ogonna, can't you use his recent erratic behavior as an excuse to issue a royal decree? I mean, this will physically bar him from getting close to Ogonna till their wedding day.
Of course I can. I can do that. But what difference would that make at the end of the day?
I don't know, but at least that will make him to react in some ways. Who knows? His reaction might turn out to be him realizing how much he needs Ogonna. That could force him to treasure and respect Ogonna for the rest of his life. We cannot afford not to react in some ways to what he did. You are a highly regarded king within and outside Ogurata. Think about your image and Ogonna's dignity as well.
Father.
Here we are. I got us palm wine while you were away earlier.
Great father.
Ah.
I am in the mood for it right now.
See? Mm-hmm.
Thank you, father.
Uchenna.
Father.
Listening to you talk to His Majesty and the Prince the other day, I was proud of that. Indeed, you are my late father's reincarnate. You possess his wisdom, his guts, and everything about him. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, father. Thank you.
Uchenna, you are my only child, made so by the murderous tragedy that befell my family the very day you were born. Despite the pressure from friends and family, I refused to marry another wife. I gave my all to raise you according to your mother's instruction. I am standing tall today because you have not disappointed your mother. Thank you for always making me proud.
Thank you, Father. Thank you for always being by my side. You made all this possible. All of it, Father.
It's time. It's time to talk about our future. Your future.
My future?
Yes.
How? How do you mean, Father?
Our lineage must continue, and it is now your duty to ensure it does. Or haven't you given it a thought? Uchenna, it is time for you to look round and choose a virtuous maiden in this kingdom to marry.
Father, do you have any maiden or any preferred family in mind?
Uchenna.
Father.
Most parents influence the choice of their children's partner or even choose for them outrightly. But I do not think it is the right thing to do. The wife will be yours. The choice is exclusively yours also.
Thank you, Father. Thank you.
You're welcome. Sit.
I am Imba, the greatest warrior. The greatest warrior of this world. I am Imba, the greatest warrior. The greatest warrior of this world. I am the cat of Okudasa kingdom. No man born of a woman can challenge my strength. No.
What is going on? For close to a week now, I have waited with bated breath for some kind of reaction from the royal family over what happened, and none has come at all. Not even a message or any of them. What are they up to? Waiting for me to come over and apologize to Ogonna and the rest of them over what happened? No way. Never. I admit that what I did was an outrageous overreaction. But frolicking with that idiot Uchenna, despite all I have said and done to make her understand that I don't ever want him anywhere near her, was a very disrespectful to me. It deserves a very strong reaction from me in order to squarely drive the message home to her and her family. To hell with their demand for explanation from me on why I hated Uchenna so much recently. I owe none of them any explanation. How can I tell them that it all has to do with my jealousy at how Ogonna deeply reacted to that idiot poetry and flute in the forest that day? How do I tell them that without making them see me as an insecure fool? No, I can't allow that to happen. I am telling no one about it. I am not going to apologize either. I am the man in the relationship. I have my pride to protect. My wife must learn to fear and respect me and my every wish. Now is the time to pass that message to Ogonna in no uncertain way. Unless she thinks that as a princess, I will accept any less domineering role in our marriage after our wedding. Yes, Eyimba is the alpha male in and outside his home. But wait. What if they are planning some kind of shocker for me? Who cares? Let them bring it on. However one looks at the situation, I have the final say. Yes, she and her family will never dare to think of breaking off our engagement. They won't dare it for the fear of what I will demand as compensation. And the gods knows that I will bury their word deep underground with what I will demand if they ever dare it.
Help me!
My lord!
To hell with your princess!
I will help
Help
you!
me, the
I will help you! I will help
champion!
you! Stop me! Drop me down!
I am going to unleash the fire and fury of my entire body on soul. On every single living creature in this hut, if I take 2 steps home without you in my toe.
You will not treat and talk to me with such disrespect.
My princess.
I said, let's go inside. I want to discuss something important with you.
What is the meaning of this? Respectfully step aside and let me pass, Enyimba.
No! You were betrothed to me at infancy.
Sonorous voice. Superb composition. I mean, impressive talent, my princess. Beauty is indeed beyond the sin.
You like it?
So much that it temporarily erased my curiosity.
I'd rather run and scream my lungs out to alert Uchenna about your evil plans than to lead you to him.
Stop! Stop! Princess! Stop!
Ah! Ah!
Please, whatever must have triggered Enyimba to act in such a dangerous way today must be something very serious indeed to him. I beg you, please, my prince. I am not excusing his disrespect for the princess and the royal family. Please, your majesty, please. Thank the wise gods for sparing the life of our princess. Yes. Please, your majesty, I beg you. Returning anger and violence with anger and violence is not a thing of the wise and noble, your majesty. You are a wise and noble king, your majesty. My prince, you are a wise and noble prince, your highness. Please, I beg you. Reply Enyimba's rash action with noble and wise reaction befitting of your noble selves. Please.
What a contrast. All my life I have been told that nothing happens without your knowledge and approval, gods of my ancestors. That nothing happens without a purpose. What is the purpose of this one? Why did you bring such a gentle, talented and wise young man as Uchenna into close contact with me before my marriage to Enyimba is formally sealed? It is becoming so hard for me to keep hiding the deep feelings I have been developing for Uchenna. It is becoming very difficult for me to keep pretending that I still love Enyimba. It is becoming almost impossible for me. Please, help me, gods of our land. Please.
Your Highness.
I have improved, right?
Yes, but...
I have a confession to make.
A confession?
I didn't compose the song for Enyimba. I composed it for you.
My princess, you composed the love song for me? Thank you. Thank you, my princess. But I do not think it's a wise thing to do. You are engaged to...
Oh, please, Uchenna, don't spoil these beautiful moments by mentioning his name.
I know that you're still very angry with Enyimba over what he did to you the last time. You have every reason to be, especially given that he has refused to apologize to you. But please, my princess, do not let anger push you into doing something that is capable of rubbing your reputation in the mud. I mean, nothing can justify...
Uchenna, I did not compose a song for you out of anger. I did not do it to spite Enyimba either. Yes, a seed has been planted in my heart. But it was not planted by Enyimba. It was planted by you. The very day you brought him and I to this place. Only that I never realized it until it fully germinated. Uchenna, and it germinated with so much peace and...
My princess, please stop. Stop. Enough already. Please. Stop.
No,
my princess,
Uchenna,
please.
no! Uchenna, don't you feel anything for me? Look me in the eyes and answer me, please. Please.
My princess.
Oh, you Mother Nature! Oh, you spirits of the forest! Oh, you mothers of joy and love! Please look into my heart and grant me the fulfillment of my wishes. My mind is made up. Please help me to live my dreams in your benevolence. Feed my body and my soul with the peace of true love, His love. With my maiden's honor, I ask this of you. Please. Spirits of love, please. Please.
She's in love with me? How? Why? Is she not aware that with the kind of engagement her father and Enyimba's father
got her and Enyimba entangled in at infancy. Falling in love with me would be a journey of emotional foolishness on her path. The question she asked me, why? Why wasn't I able to answer it?
Uchenna, what is it?
Nothing, Father. Nothing.
The mood I'm seeing you in speaks otherwise. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay, Father. I'm okay, Father.
You can't tell me nothing is worrying you with this type of attitude.
Guns of our land, save our kingdom from this evil. Makopa keto yana wajuku awanzenze. Makote kita banya kojeli awanzenze. Apa ekali ajilinde ni topu awanzenze. Owosia mijia wai makane jiru babu awanzenze. Bepotu jimancha nganga buluzo awanzenze. Odideso chieyaya.
Don't you greet?
Greetings.
You have been avoiding me. I mean, you have refused to see me since the day you insulted me by obliging Uchenna your company. Is it that you don't realize that I deserve an apology for that insult?
Enyimba, please, I am not in the mood for any kind of discussion with you. Let me pass.
Are you mad? I asked you a question. Answer me.
You want an answer from me? Okay, hear it. I do not want to see you, Enyimba. I do not want to come to your house. And mind how you address me. I am not your slave in any form or shape. I am the daughter of your king. I do not just deserve your respect. I demand it.
Obviously, you are not seeing very well. Or you forgot who you are talking to. I am not one of your guards in your father's palace. I am Enyimba, your husband to be. Obeying me is a right to me and a duty to you. Get that into your head and stop blabbing about your royal status.
Enyimba, I beg you in the name of your ancestors and mine. Let me pass.
It is a lie. It's not going to happen. Come here. You are going to my hut. Ah!
Lolo, Ogonna says she was going to take a stroll along the river side to clear her mind about a new song she's preparing. She should have been back by now. What is going on? What? Hugging who? Enyimba again?
Yes,
Enyimba again? What happened?
Just come and get it. I'm going to kill somebody now. I am going to kill somebody now. Stop! I said I'll kill somebody now if you don't step out of the way. Come and get out of my way. Hey, I said stop him. Stop him. No.
One more step from you, and I'll send you to the land of your ancestors. You brainless mountain of flesh and dead bones.
Your Majesty, are you seeing the person you are threatening very well? It's me, Enyimba, your own son-in-law to be. Enyimba, how dare you? I swear with my princely honor, if I get you, I'm going to cut you into tiny bits and feed it to the leopard at the coven of Osowacha. It's alright. I will go, but bear it in mind that this is wrong. Absolutely wrong. On account of what I am to the princess, I have the same access right to this compound, just as I have to my own hut.
Not anymore. Not anymore. Not after the dangerous attempt you made on her life the last time.
Don't shoot. You people should have asked Princess what happened rather than to...
Go ahead and marry whoever the new lady in your life is, Enyimba. Do not toy with my daughter's emotion in your bid to declare your intentions open. Ogonna has no problem with you leaving her or marrying someone else. Neither did the rest of us in the royal family. This is my last verbal warning to you. Stay away from my daughter.
I swear, my queen, there is no other woman in my life except Princess Ogonna. Please.
Liar. Bloody lousy liar you are, Enyimba.
My love, I am not lying. Even after the savage bite you gave me, I still come here because I love you.
And yet for over a week since you nearly killed me, you have never apologized or at least gone to check on me. And yet you spoke and treated me in the disrespectful manner you did a while ago. What manner of love are you talking about with all that?
What are you talking about? I am a man and you are a woman. As a woman, you're supposed to apologize to me no matter anything that happens. You're supposed to apologize to me. Soon I will be the man of the house in your life. Okay, I want to ask you, does His Royal Majesty here apologize to the Queen after dispute? Does he? We are the children of God, so you should get that.
Enyimba! If you are a man, pick any of these words from these guards and fight me. Including this gun. And fight me if you are a man. Fight me, Enyimba! Fight me!
Please, I am not...
Enyimba, I said fight me!
Your Majesty, stop him. He is a warrior. A veteran of 7 wars with 14 human hairs to show for it. I am just a wrestler and not a warrior. Are you expecting me to fight you with a weapon and survive it? Oh, Malichan, please, go come and stop your brother.
So you knew? You knew about all this and you're being so stupid and so stubborn? You knew? Onyeso, back down. Onyeso, back down. Back down, Onyeso, because this coward's blood in your hands will be a disgrace to your image as the prince and as a warrior. Back down, my son. It's not worth it.
Yes, I have accepted. I have Anwunu blood. In fact, a cockroach blood is even more better than mine. I have accepted.
Now you listen to me, Enyimba. As the biological father of Ogonna, I hereby postpone your marriage to her for 1 year. And within that 1 year, I do not want to see you anywhere around her or anywhere around the vicinity of this palace. That is a royal order.
I disagree with that. What? I don't accept that.
That's the royal order.
I said I am not comfortable with that order.
Get out.
It's a lie, Your Majesty.
Get out! Get!
Get out of my compound now. I am not in a good mood to discuss anything with you.
I know. Oh yes, I know you are in a bad mood. You have a good reason to be. I saw what they did to you at the palace. From hiding, I witnessed the entire insult. Please, Odo, give me your ears. I want to have a serious talk with you.
Go ahead and say it.
In this issue, Odogo, the royal family is wrong. You are right, Odogo. You are a man. Princess Ogonna should be the one apologizing to you. You are right about that, but please calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. How can I calm down? With such insult right before my wife-to-be. Why should I not do something nasty to someone in the palace to redeem my honor? Udaboy?
Because the whole thing is beyond what you are taking it to be. The goat is about to eat palm leaves on your head. What happened at the palace today is only for the beginning. Odogo.
Udaboy, what are you talking about?
Odogo, I would rather show you than tell you.
Odogo. Show me what? When? How and where?
soon, very soon, I will tell you when the right time comes. Huh? I will see you when that time comes.
Udagboyin, I am sorry for what I did to you 3 months ago.
But that when has forgiven you since long ago.
I followed my destiny, Ojamo. Now it has made way for me, Ojaike. Thanks for the gods, for this gift that has brought my lover to me. Thanks for the gods, for this gift that has brought my lover to me. Ejerem bendi mo bora ojamo, ojamo, ojem jewa uri, ojamo. Ejerem bemmadu bora ojamo, ojamo, ojem jewa uri, ojamo. I follow mu love mu bora ya ojamo, ojamo, ojem jewa uri, ojamo. Ndabodani bianu ojamo, ojamo, ojem jewa uri, ojamo. Shahalu moja kambube no bodo, ojamo, ojem jewa uri, ojamo. Sweet melody in my heart, yo, ojamo, ojem jewa uri, ojamo. Good melody in my heart, yo, ojamo, ojem jewa uri, ojamo. Sweet melody in my heart, yo, ojamo, ojem jewa uri, ojamo. I followed my destiny, Ojamo. Now it has made way for me, Ojaike. Thanks for the gods, for this gift that has brought my lover to me. Thanks for the gods, for this gift that has brought my lover to me. Ejerem bendi mo bora ojamo, ojamo, ojem jewa uri, ojamo. Ejerem bemmadu bora ojamo, ojamo, ojem jewa uri, ojamo. I follow mu love mu bora ya ojamo, ojamo, ojem jewa uri, ojamo. Ndabodani bianu ojamo, ojamo, ojem jewa uri, ojamo.
Love, why? Why love? Must it be her? Must it be someone like her? Another man's wife to be? How do I pull anything off with... Love, why? Why?
Uchenna! 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 Uche! Uchenna! Where's this one? Uchenna! Uchenna!
Uchenna. Uchenna!
Father.
It is about Princess Ogonna. Is that not it? Princess Ogonna belongs to Enyimba. Are you still aware of that?
Father, it is...
I have told you, Uchenna, to look for a maiden to marry. I did not ask you to jump blindly into an emotional pool of madness that will drown you without a trace. She is a princess. Her father is your king. Your own father is just a hunter. Enyimba is a wrestling hero who inherited enormous wealth from his late father. Who are you? Who are we compared to them? Uchenna, have you no brains anymore?
Father, please.
I do not want any further explanation on this. In fact, I don't want to see you and the princess ever again. Tell her to stop coming to my hut. And you, I don't want you to go to the palace for whatever reason henceforth. Shh. I have spoken.
My princess, what is the meaning of this?
You have been avoiding me in the last 5 days, Uchenna. Why? Well, I knew you would be passing this way, on your way to Mazi Onaka's compound to play for his mad son. So I came here to wait for you. Uchenna, what did I do wrong? Why have you been avoiding me?
Do you want to hear the truth, my princess?
Of course I want to.
All right. I have given it a deep thought. I mean, all of this.
Giving what a deep thought?
Our increasing closeness. My father was right.
Your father? What did your father say?
My father saw through it. I mean, he saw through it with the eyes of a man his age. He said that the kind of engagement you and Enyimba had, our friendship would bring us nothing but pain, sorrow, heartbreaks. But my princess, I do not want that to happen. Listen, please, for the sake of your peace of mind, I do not want this to happen to you. Let's just...
Uchenna, please, you don't even say it. You can't do this.
My princess, please, I beg you. Just give me space. Please, just stay far away from my heart. I have been trying to just give me space to tame my heart. I beg of you. Please, that's all I've been trying to do for the past 5 days now. Please, my princess. If you have any regard for me, please, I beg of you, do not try to make this whole thing difficult for me more than it already is. I beg you. Please. God so for good yourself. Ogonna.
Mother, just go. Please go.
No, my dear. No. You came back looking all gloomy and refused to talk to me when I asked you why in the compound. And here you are crying. What happened? Talk to me.
Mother, he asked me to stay away from him.
Eyimba?
No!
Who?
Who?
Answer me, who?
Uchenna. Mother, I'm sorry. I never deliberately intended. Eyimba's recent disrespect pushed me. He pushed me, Mother!
Look me in the eyes and tell me you have not allowed Uchenna any intimacy with you.
Mother!
Answer me!
I am a princess, Mother. The royal tradition of Ogudasa Kingdom forbids me from having any form of intimate contact except with my lawfully wedded husband. I am a daughter of culture and tradition. Even in my worst moment of emotional meltdown, Mother, I will never travel that crazy route with any man. I am still a virgin.
There is a problem, my lord.
Problem? What is it?
Ogonna.
Ogonna? My own Ogonna? What? Don't tell me she's pregnant for Enyimba. In contravention of our age-long tradition?
Ogonna is still a virgin, my lord.
Oh. So, what is the problem? Is she ill?
She's in love with Uchenna. Ichi Azunna's son.
What? Did you say love? Love? Tell me you are joking. No. Tell me you are joking, Lolo.
I'm not joking, my lord. It seems she...
I do not want any speculation on this matter. No speculation. Whatever emotional entanglement she has gotten herself into, it must end immediately. Immediately. How dare Ogonna? In fact, I'm going to end this personally. In peace or in pieces.
Please don't, my lord.
Listen, woman. I will not entertain any differing opinion on this matter. And that's my final word on it. Love. Nonsense.
I followed my destiny, Ojamo. Now it has made way for me, Ojaike. Thanks for the gods, for this gift that has brought my lover to me. Thanks for the gods, for this gift that has brought my lover.
You're so good with words. You know how to make me laugh. You know how to put me in the right mood.
Okay. That's because you're one in a million. Oh, you're the best.
You're the best.
You're the best.
You're the best.
You're the best. No, I can't thank the gods enough for bringing you my way.
I bless the gods too.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
I bless the gods for bringing you my way.
I just pray and hope that this will continue.
You say.
one more step, I swear I will send you to your ancestors with this wood.
But what do you want from me? What is it again? My father asked you to stay away from me. He wasn't joking. Let me go or I will tell him and my brother... Let me go! Let me go!
Ogonna, if you don't keep quiet now, I will smash you to death. Nonsense.
Please don't smash me. Please don't smash me. Let me go, Eniba. Let me go. Eniba, let me go. Let me go. Eniba, let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Leave me alone.
Get inside.
I'd rather die than enter that cursed house of yours. Let me go, you beast. Let me go.
I will not let you go. Get inside now, huh?
You just committed suicide, Enyimba. You think my father was joking when he ordered you to stay away from me? Harass me all you want here, but just know that you have dug your own grave. My great father and my brother Onyeso, the war hero of Ogudasa, they will behead you like a... They are here. Father, kill this animal. Cut off his empty head. Onyeso Odoku one name for daring to...
Shut up. Shut up, Ogonna. Shut your mouth before I strangle you with my own hands. Shut up.
Mother! Onyeso! Father, I just said he is...
Enyimba, take her inside. Take her inside and consider your marriage with her sealed at this point. As per the payment of dowry, you can come to the palace anytime you like. Any time of your choice. It is done.
That's my king.
Go ahead.
Father, you must be joking. This is a joke, right? Mother, he is...
Enyimba,
My queen.
don't keep me waiting too long for my Omugo visit.
I will not.
Onyeso one name.
Enyimba, my prince.
Take her inside. The royal maids are on their way with her personal belongings.
Take her in.
No!
Don't embarrass
No,
yourself.
Mother, no! Don't take me alone! What manner of dream is this? Is this a kind of revelation from the gods or just my fear working on my mind? Whatever it is, I cannot allow what happened in the dream to become my reality. I cannot let it happen for real. I can't. Gods of my ancestors, help me, please. I can do nothing without you. My Chi. From the look of things, I need you by my side now more than ever.
My lord, Ogonna is not in her bedchamber.
Meaning what? When did she start leaving her bedchamber before breakfast time? When? Ozo, did you hear that?
Yes, Your Majesty.
That the princess is not in her bedchamber. What happened?
Your Majesty, the princess left the palace at the break of dawn. She said she is going to a nearby forest to work on her new song with the inspiration she got in her dream last night.
She said that?
Yes, Your Majesty.
So when did the princess start going to the riverside at the break of dawn? When did she start that?
Your Majesty, today is the first time she's doing that. Your Majesty, as much as I insisted, she refused to be accompanied by any guard or informer her personal maid.
Also, are you joking or what? I gave an order that on no occasion On no occasion would the princess leave the palace area without at least 2 guards to protect her in case Enimba comes back to molest her. And you're telling me this?
Your Majesty, she said she got your express permission to go alone.
What? Are you saying that the princess lied with my name? Lolo, did you hear that? Our own princess now lies with my name. Something serious is going on. Something very serious is going on. And if I find out that this is happening because of that so-called Uchenna, then that young man should be ready to go back to his father's house without some of his teeth.
That is
Yes.
uncalled for.
Lolo. Just stay away from me. Leave my side before you two lose all your teeth from my own hands. How could that idiot make my daughter lie with my name?
Stop, please. What is this? You came to my compound and woke me through the window. You begged me to come outside. The princess, when I did, you asked me to follow you. From that point to this very place, you have refused to answer my question. My princess, why are we here?
I brought you here because this is the very place you brought me. And my eyes were opened.
How do you mean, my princess?
This is the very place you brought me. And my eyes were opened to the fact that you are the man that I truly love. You call this place your nature commune arena. But to me, it is more than that. It is the birthplace of my love for you. A sacred sanctuary for true love.
My princess, I ask a simple question. Why are we here?
I brought you here so that we can have a soul-to-soul talk.
Soul-to-soul talk with me? How do you mean?
Yes, Uchenna. And whatever you say to me right here and now, I will take it from the depth of my heart. Uchenna, do you love me? Please, look into my eyes with all honor and the truth that you have in you. Do you love me?
Yes, I love you, my princess. I love you with every bit of my body and soul. I do.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I love you too. I love you so much. Tell me, is there anything you cannot do for me or for my sake?
My princess, what are you driving at?
Just answer me.
Let's go. Where are we going? Let's go. Where are we going?
Let's go. Odogu, let's go. Let's go. Where is that? Odogu, not again, Odogu, let's go. Huh?
Where boy? Listen, I am not. Leave. What is it? I am not going. You may have tried helping me when I was battling with mind infirmity. But that does not mean that I am a permanent mental case. Tell me where we are going, else I will not take any step further.
No, Odogu. It is better you see it than to just hear it.
I want to hear it first.
Okay. Promise me that no matter what happens, nobody will hear it. Nobody will know or hear that I was the person that mentioned it to you. Even with the threat of death, I won't let you know about this until you promise me that nobody will hear it. That nobody will hear about this.
I promise you.
Not enough, Odogo. Hold your manhood and swear that nobody will hear about this.
Are you okay? What is the problem?
Odogo, when you are done shouting on me, hold your manhood and swear. Yes, swear.
I swear I will not tell anyone.
Right. Yes. Give me your ear. Success. If he sticks to his character of a strong man without strong brain, then only the gods will save Uchenna from him today. Only the gods. Only the gods. Yes. Only the gods can save Uchenna. Yes.
My love, look, there has to be some other way for us to do this. Love builds, it doesn't destroy. It gladdens and honors and not otherwise. My princess, what you're suggesting will only hurt the people we love dearly. It will dishonor your father, the king, and the entire royal family. It will tarnish the image of my own father. My princess, please, let us...
You just told me that there is nothing you cannot do for my sake. You said that you wish to be my husband. And I also wish to become your wife. But because of the peculiar circumstance that exists between Enyimba and I, there are two risky options that you have to choose from to make our marital wishes a reality. Option 1 is to elope with me immediately. Option 2 is to get me pregnant. Obim, please choose from one, and I am ready.
My princess! Please stop! Pregnancy before the completion of marital rite is a taboo in Ogudasa kingdom, my princess. I can't do that. For the love I have for you, there is no way I'm going to choose the pregnancy option because of the ugly implications. My love, for the love that we share, I am ready to take the first option. I will elope with you to any kingdom.
You will leave the kingdom with me and marry me wherever we elope to.
My love, I swear on my honor, as a man, I love you.
I love you too, Obim.
So you want to escape? If any of you lousy clowns step any further, I promise to tear her into pieces. Go and come here, Ike.
Hey, what is going on here? Put her down. Put my daughter down now. Are you mad? Have you gone nuts?
How dare you, Imba? How dare you?
Are you okay?
What happened? Were you not expressly ordered to stay away from her? Were you not asked to stay away from her? You people ordered me to stay off so that you can secretly marry her off, right? Is that not? You conspired with the Chiazonna to take away my betrothed wife. And you dare question me for disobeying this man. Are you sick in the head? No, it's something wrong with you.
Hey. Mind how you talk. Mind your language, Enimba. Mind your language. You're not talking to some commoners here. Now, what was that nonsense you were talking about?
Your Majesty, I caught Ogonna in an intimate entanglement with Uchenna inside the forest.
Ogonna?
Yes.
You can go ahead and lie to them that you caught me having sex with Uchenna. I don't care, Enyimba. I will never marry you. I hate you. I hate you so much. It is Uchenna that I love, and it is him that I will marry. I will never be a wife to an animal like you, Enyimba. Never. And I do not care what our tradition says about it.
Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Have you gone mad?
Let her be, Your Majesty.
Uchenna.
Who is this?
To love is not a crime in Ogudasake.
Uchenna.
You survive! After everything I did to you, in that forest, you survived. And instead of you running for your day miserable life, you still followed us to this palace.
To an honorable man like me, Ayimba, love is not just a feeling. It is a spirit. And it is the spirit of the true love I have for Princess Ogonna here that protected me from your mother's hands. It is that same spirit that gave me the strength and courage to come here and lay claim to her. Princess Ogonna is mine.
It's a lie. She can never be yours. This is my property. Ukuya, Ukum, Ifrania, Anam. She is my property.
Never. Princess Ogonna is too precious to belong to a brute like you with only bones and muscles and no brains. Himba, you are just a gigantic man without a corresponding gigantic sense. Princess Ogonna is a lady with unstained honor. She deserves a man who truly loves and cherishes her. And that man is me.
You lie! You, I swear with my late parents' grave, if you don't leave here this minute, I am going to kill you.
I am not living here, Ayimba. I am not living here without Princess Ogonna. Your Majesty, my prince, apologies that this is happening this way. I am here to ask for the hand of Princess Ogonna in marriage here and now. Let the injuries this beast here inflicted on me serve as the knocking wine. Please, Your Majesty.
What?
Yeah!
Uchenna.
My princess.
Lift my foot right now! I am taking you to your father's house!
Father!
Hey! What is going on here? Ichi Azuna, quiet! How dare you walk into my palace with a gun? Are you mad?
Your Majesty, I do not hunt as a mere pastime. You know it. My ancestors hunted down leopards and buffaloes many times over. I swallowed the insult from that grand buffoon and the likes of Enyimba, battering my son over your daughter 2 days ago, only because my son is silly by association. To me, he deserved what he got on that occasion. I am warning you. If the princess ever get near my son again, I will go and have that like wild animal. I am warning you, Your Majesty. If you love your daughter, let her stay clear from my son.
Azuna, I choose to swallow this insult you just gave to me because my daughter already insulted me by sneaking out of the palace to go and meet your miserable son. But let me tell you, let me warn you, if you dare this nonsense again in this palace, I will personally cut off your throat and that of that lout behind you.
Enough! Enough, all of you!
Are you talking to me?
Your Majesty, I said enough!
What?
The princess and I have had enough from all of you. I hope your gun is loaded enough to shoot me, father. And I hope your knife is sharp enough to cut my throat, your Majesty.
Yes!
Because only death can stop me from marrying the princess. Only death.
Same here. Only death can stop me from becoming your wife. I would rather die than marry Enyimba or any other man.
Ogana! Now let us live here right now. Let us live right now!
Is he to come out?
No. Father, did you get what you went for?
Yes, as I expected. His father has not returned from dog hunting. So when I observed the fool leaving to go fetch water from the stream, I sneaked inside the house.
We have taken so many risks in planning what we are here for. But honestly, what you just told me is the biggest risk of them all. I mean, what if Uchenna had returned for one reason or the other while you are still in the house? Or even his father?
Well, they did not return. Did not return. And I have Uchenna's flute. So we planned it. Give me the gun. Give me the gun.
Father, is there no other ways we can achieve our aim other than this bloody path?
Chode, even if there is, I'm not ready to consider it. Yes, Enyimba nearly drowned me.
No.
Yes, he disgraced me and he has to pay for it with his life. On the part of Uchenna, we lost only our source of income. So we'll do what we'll do to get him out of the way. Our hunger will wipe away our family out sooner than later. Is that preferable to you?
No.
Stop asking questions. Stop asking silly questions. Yes. And they concentrate. Yes.
Father, aim very well. Aim very, very well.
Wait.
Papa, he's coming. Papa, he's coming. Papa!
Hey, stop! Deal with him! My princess, please save me! Please save me! Beat him up! Beat him up! Deal with him!
Hey! Hey, stop!
Deal with him!
Stop! Stop! I said stop. I said stop. Come here. Give me your hand. Come with me.
Come with you to where, father?
I am taking you to Enyimba's house. Your marriage with him starts now. And you're not coming back from that house until you give him a male child.
No,
Come with
father,
me.
No, father, leave me.
Come.
Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, stop me.
Come.
Please, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, please. Please, Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Your Majesty, please.
Your Majesty, please. Your Majesty. Your Majesty, please. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Father, please beg Your Majesty. Beg Your Majesty.
I am begging you, Your Majesty. Whatever the thing is, we must resolve it.
Your Majesty, please. Please, Your Majesty.
Your
Majesty, please don't take her, please. Please, Your Majesty, I beg you.
No.
Remember, what are you doing with my missing flute?
Uchenna, was your flute missing?
Yes, Father. When I returned from the stream, I discovered that my flute was no longer where I kept it.
They came to your hut and stole it while you are on your way to the stream.
And who are you referring to, Imba?
Udagbenyi and his son conspired to kill me and frame you up by dropping this flute at the crime scene.
Father.
The plot failed and I reacted without thinking.
What do you mean you reacted without thinking otherwise?
Your Majesty, I was actually coming to your palace to plead with you to allow Uchenna here marry Princess Ogonna. They genuinely love themselves. I give her to you. And I am doing that without demanding anything from you or the royal family. The princess here is a beautiful and caring maiden. She deserves to be loved and treated with respect and dignity. The princess here deserves to live the rest of her life in happiness and joy. Only you here can guarantee her all that as her husband. Not me. Goodbye.
Enimba, what did you do to Udakbenyi and his son?
Your Majesty, I sent Udakbenyi to his ancestors.
Hey!
After his son confessed their evil conspiracy to me, I also did the same thing to him. I am sorry for everything I did to Uchenna and the Princess Ogonna. As for Udakbenyi and his son, I have no regret killing them. They are dogs.
And where are you going now?
I am going to surrender myself before the youths of this kingdom. I am a murderer, Eburu Mochu, and murder has serious consequences in this kingdom. We all know about that. Goodbye.
Hi. Enimba, you shouldn't have gone this far. Enimba shouldn't have gone this far.
The greatest warrior, of this world. I am Enimba, the greatest warrior, of this world. I am the cat of Okudasa kingdom. No man born of a woman. Ojamo,